Bloomberg Audio Studios. Podcasts, radio, news.
The Stock Movers Podcast, your roundup of companies making moves in the stock market, harnessing the power of Bloomberg data.
Stock Movers, about the stocks of the day. Busy day. Here's Lisa Mateo.
Okay, I want to start with Bitcoin because it's trading at a record, right? 120,000. House of Representatives getting ready to consider that crypto-related legislation because Crypto Week, it kicks off today. Ether, the second largest token, also advanced a number of smaller coins. So I want to point out a few crypto-related stocks on the rise, particularly Coinbase, ticker COIN. They're up nearly 2%. But also you look at places, companies like Riot Platforms up 3%, Mara Holdings up
Riot
4%.
Platforms, they're in the Dow Jones.
Go on
They're in
and
the Dow
on.
Jones Industrial
I'm telling
Average.
you, I'm saying, like, who? But if you track kind of the progress, you know, it surged after President Trump was elected, right, to that second term. But listen to this figure. Investors poured more than $2.7 billion into the group of U.S. Bitcoin ETFs last week.
Yep.
Yeah, so
Crazy.
Big money there.
Yep.
The 12 ETFs manage about $151 billion in assets. So you see the mass amount.
Good morning, Castle Rock, Colorado. Riot Platforms
There you go.
with 783 employees. Paul, it's all this money going in, and there's a limited supply of BitDog, right?
That's the Mike McGlone call from, 10 years ago. I mean, limited supply, increasing
Next, that's way too much Bitcoin talk. Next on Stock
Never
Movers.
too much. Okay, Kenvue, ticker KVUE, their shares have been up as much as 6.5%. You know, they make Tylenol, Neutrogena, Listerine. The big news, they said its CEO is leaving. Board director Kirk Perry taking over an interim. This is effective immediately. They've really been under pressure. Activist investors, they want to change how the company's structured, how the company runs. And this is ever since, remember, when it spun off from Johnson & Johnson back in 2023. So Kenvue says, yes, a strategic review is underway. Strategic, easy to say, yes, but that's what they're saying.
Starboard. What do you think, Paul? I mean, Skillman, New Jersey.
Yep.
Starboard Value's going after it.
Bloomberg's in Skillman, New Jersey.
Yeah, I know.
That's
I went a couple times. I gave a speech.
Ooh.
Did you see their food court?
Oh, the new and improved food court is incredible.
What do you stop there on the way home?
Oh, yes, exactly. Back in the day.
Next.
And lastly, I want to point out Tesla. Their shares, ticker TSLA, have been up about 1%. So Elon Musk basically said Tesla shareholders are going to vote on investing in XAI. So tapping into his own companies to help fund this AI startup. I mean, the Wall Street Journal kind of hinted. They said that SpaceX was going to commit $2 billion toward, you know, a fundraising round for XAI.
Is that like the government's going to commit? Is that like a funnel of government funding over to it?
It's tough. I mean, they're trying to catch up in the AI space. They're far behind.
I'm far behind. I bought a book this weekend, Intro to AI. I'm so dumb.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Good.
168 pages.
Yep.
Like the Cliff Notes version.
Yes.
I bought the Cliff Notes.
There you
Is that
go.
still a thing?
Okay.
I know. But you know, he's been arguing with President Trump, so that's not helping.
The Stock Movers Podcast from Bloomberg Radio. Check back with us throughout the day for the latest roundup of companies making news on Wall Street. And for the latest market-moving headlines, listen to Bloomberg Radio live. Catch us on YouTube, Bloomberg.com, and on Apple CarPlay and Android Auto with the Bloomberg Business app.